In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your workflow in n8n. Upgrading a workflow means refreshing its nodes, tweaking its logic, adjusting settings, or even updating credentials. All this while ensuring that your workflow maintains its functionality and efficiency. In the latest 2.x version of n8n, you're afforded the flexibility to edit a workflow, save your changes as a draft, put it through tests, and only then publish the new version when it's fully polished and ready to go. To start, sign in to your n8n workspace. This might be through n8n Cloud or your self-hosted n8n instance, depending on your setup. Once you're in, head over to the Workflows page. Here, you'll pick out the specific workflow you're aiming to upgrade. It's crucial to make sure you're working on the appropriate workflow, so take a moment to verify this before moving forward. Before diving into any changes, it's always wise to create a backup. This is a precautionary step that can save you tons of hassle down the road if you need to revert to your original setup. To do this, navigate to the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. From the available options, select Download to export your workflow as a JSON backup. This file will act as your safety net, ensuring you can restore the previous version if necessary. Now that you have your backup safely stored, you're ready to update the workflow. This is where the real upgrades happen. You may need to add new nodes that reflect the current needs of your workflow, or remove outdated ones. It's important to update your node settings to align with the latest requirements, or replace any nodes that have been marked as deprecated. Additionally, you might need to update API endpoints or credentials to ensure connectivity with external systems is maintained. Adjusting workflow logic or expressions is often necessary to accommodate new data flows or business rules. Should n8n notify you of newer versions available for any nodes, take the time to review these updates. It's vital to migrate and thoroughly test any upgraded nodes before making them a permanent fixture in your production environment. With your updates in place, it's time to test the workflow. Select the Execute Workflow button to set it into motion. During this phase, observe each node's execution closely. You want every part to operate without hitch, meaning no errors should appear. The output should match your expectations precisely and reflect the enhancements you've planned. If you spot any discrepancies, go back to the drawing board until everything runs smoothly. Once you're completely satisfied with how the workflow performs, you can confidently publish the updated version. This ensures that your refreshed workflow is fully integrated and set for continued use. With these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining efficient and up-to-date workflows in n8n. Enjoy your newfound productivity and streamlined processes.